This is Crosshairs Osborne. I'm going to show you to add more flare to your flare side with some Bushwacker cutout fender flares. This is actually the only video that exists on the planet that I know of on how to show you to put fender flares on a flare side truck. Basically, you just put them up there on the wheel opening and slowly drill your holes after you've trimmed the openings to fit. It's like I'm doing here. It's not rocket science. There's what the front looks like. There they are, all fitted up. I trimmed the bottom of the bed so that the rear flares would wrap around the bottom of the bed. There's the Clecos I used to hold them in place. Definitely get you a set of Clecos. That makes it a lot easier, for sure. There they are installed with the gasket. Really changes the look of the truck. Now I'm working on the front bumper. I put a lightning front valance panel on there. I scooted the bumper forward 4 inches. So now I'm filling in that 4 inches with a panel that I made from another bumper, and I'm just welding it in. And there it is after it's painted. It really makes that truck stand out and look good. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.